Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good night. Good night. How are you? How are you? Please. Please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. What's your name? What's your name? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you later. See you later. A long time no see. A long time no see. How have you been? How have you been? Pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. I'm glad to see you. I'm glad to see you. My name is Clara. My name is Clara. I'm from Los Angeles. I'm from Los Angeles. It's pleasure to meet you. It's pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Haven't we met before? Haven't we met before? May I have your name? May I have your name? Please come in. Please come in. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce Mr. Thomas to you. Let me introduce Mr. Thomas to you. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. What time is it? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. Could you tell me the time? Could you tell me the time? It's 10:30. It's 10:30. Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? Give me a little more time. Give me a little more time. Time went so fast. Time went so fast. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. Can I speak to John, please? Can I speak to John, please? I'd like to speak to John. I'd like to speak to John. Hold the line, please. Hold the line, please. I'll connect you now. I'll connect you now. I'm sorry, he's on another call. I'm sorry, he's on another call. I'm sorry, he's not available at the moment. Please call back later. Please call back later. Could you ask him to call me? Could you ask him to call me? Would you like to leave a message? Would you like to leave a message? Who's speaking? Who's speaking? Who's calling, please? Who's calling, please? Could I ask who's calling? Could I ask who's calling? Can I have your name, please? Can I have your name, please? Who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? It's Mary speaking. It's Mary speaking. Is it convenient to talk at the moment? Is it convenient to talk at the moment? Sorry, you must have the wrong number. Sorry, you must have the wrong number. Sorry, I think you've dialed the wrong number. Sorry, I think you've dialed the wrong number. Hang on for a moment. Hang on for a moment. Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? Hold the line, please. Hold the line, please. Can you hear me okay? Can you hear me okay? Could you please speak up? Could you please speak up? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, please? Would you like something to drink? Would you like something to drink? Would you like me to close the door? Would you like me to close the door? Let me help you. Let me help you. Would you like me to answer the phone? Would you like me to answer the phone? Do you want some more coffee? Do you want some more coffee? Can I help you? Can I help you? Can I give you a hand? Can I give you a hand? Excuse me, do you know where the bank is? Excuse me, do you know where the bank is? How can I get to the train station from here? How can I get to the train station from here? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the airport? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the airport? Can you show me the way to the post office? Can you show me the way to the post office? Excuse me, where is the hospital? Excuse me, where is the hospital? Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map? How far is it to the airport from here? How far is it to the airport from here? Is this the way to the supermarket? Is this the way to the supermarket? Is there a restaurant near here? Is there a restaurant near here? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. It's raining. It's raining. It's snowing. It's snowing. What a nice day. What a nice day. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day. What a terrible day. What a terrible day. What temperature do you think it is? What temperature do you think it is? Probably about 30 degrees Celsius. Probably about 30 degrees Celsius. What's the forecast? What's the forecast? What's the forecast like? What's the forecast like? It's forecast to rain. It's forecast to rain. What do you think about this problem? What do you think about this problem? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? What's your view? What's your view? Please tell me your opinion on this subject. Please tell me your opinion on this subject. Can you give me your thoughts on the report? Can you give me your thoughts on the report? I don't think we should get a new house. I don't think we should get a new house. Personally, I think you're right. Personally, I think you're right. As far as I'm concerned, this t-shirt doesn't suit you. As far as I'm concerned, this t-shirt doesn't suit you. My personal view is that he is a liar. My personal view is that he is a liar. It seems to me that we get lost. It seems to me that we get lost. To my mind, it's the right thing to do. To my mind, it's the right thing to do. I personally believe we're in the right way. I personally believe we're in the right way. Can we meet on the 24th? Can we meet on the 24th? Can we meet next Sunday? Can we meet next Sunday? Are you available on the 25th? Are you available on the 25th? Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Let's meet this evening. Let's meet this evening. When can I talk to you? When can I talk to you? How about tomorrow afternoon? How about tomorrow afternoon? Do you have any time available this week? Do you have any time available this week? Can you give me an appointment on Monday? Can you give me an appointment on Monday? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you okay? Are you okay? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's the matter? What's the matter? Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to talk about it? I'm very happy right now. I'm very happy right now. I feel a little sad. I feel a little sad. It's been a difficult day. It's been a difficult day. I've been in a bad mood all day. I've been in a bad mood all day. I'm mad at his behavior. I'm mad at his behavior. I feel very depressed today. I feel very depressed today. I like cats. I like cats. I enjoy playing tennis. I enjoy playing tennis. I'm crazy about spaghetti. I'm crazy about spaghetti. I'm fond of country music. I'm fond of country music. Do you like football? Do you like football? I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like him. I hate going to the dentist. Hate going to the dentist. I completely agree. I completely agree. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. I agree with you entirely. I agree with you entirely. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. I agree. I agree. I see exactly what you mean. I see exactly what you mean. That's exactly what I think. That's exactly what I think. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. I'm sorry, but I disagree. I'm sorry, but I disagree. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I'm afraid I can't agree with you. I'm afraid I can't agree with you. That's not right. That's not right. That's not always true. That's not always true. I don't think so. I don't think so. No, that's not true. No, that's not true. No way. No way.